We're going to be talking about how to enroll in Wells Fargo online banking. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I'd like to request you to open your Wells Fargo application. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this enroll button. Once you've clicked on your enroll button, you'll need to go ahead and provide some information. First things first, go ahead and enter your SSN, or you could also have an ITIN right over here. Enter your date of birth on the bottom and click on continue. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your Wells Fargo account number, whether it be checking, savings, loan, or debit ATM card number. So enter that, and then it'll also ask you to enter your email address and phone number, and then it'll send you a verification code. Once it's done that, you're going to simply go ahead and get a chance to set up a unique username and password. Simply go ahead and enter those, and that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.